Hey y'all, it's Nisha here and welcome to today's video. I just got done washing my hair and so now we're at the point where I'm trying to decide how I want to style my hair and what products I want to use. And then of course I decided to reach for my favorite TreLuxe products. I'm first grabbing the Untie the Knot leave-in conditioner, and as you can see I've used up this entire bottle, but don't worry, your girl has a backup. The Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner is glycerin free. We love that. And also includes botanical ingredients to moisturize and strengthen hair strands. It has a nice consistency, not too thick and not too thin. I like to apply it on damp hair, really rub it in my hands, warm it up, and then apply it to my hair. And as y'all can see by my face, it feels super moisturizing. But y'all, this is not the end all be all of the level of moisture that you will feel. Trust me. I'm going to apply this leave-in conditioner throughout my strands on all 4 sections. I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes and I'm going to come back, y'all, and the moisture is going to be intensified. It's going to be out of this world, and all of this white cast or the leave-in that looks like it's just sitting on my hair, no, it's going to absorb in my hair. Wait, y'all, just wait and see. But I'm just applying it very generously throughout all sections of my hair. After applying the leave-in and debating whether I want a middle or a side part, I'm going to go ahead and grab the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. This is, again, another holy grail product of mine. You can see the consistency. You can see that it's nice and creamy. It's also made with botanical ingredients such as tomato extract, which is really cool, which helps define the curls and helps strengthen your curls as well. Y'all, look how well the leave-in has absorbed into my hair. You can barely see it. Y'all, hold on just a second. Hold up. I think we're going to switch things up and instead use the Reflex Curl Styling Serum. This will actually be my very first time trying this serum out. Although the 4-in-1 is my holy grail, you know what? We got to switch things up every now and then. So this curl styling serum was created to bring flexible hold to your curls and also to your waves without sacrificing the balance of your curls. This is a silky lightweight liquid styler which provides just enough slip to glide through every twist and turn of your hair. It's also created with botanical extracts. It is infused with coconut water, which I love, and also aloe juice, which is another one of my favorite ingredients. And as y'all can see, my curls are looking amazing with this product, and it smells good too. I forgot to mention that, but it smells really good. I'm just doing a simple 2-strand twist. Nothing fancy because I really want to see how this serum is going to perform on my hair. What I love most about TreLuxe's products is that they're super clean and contain no silicones, no sulfates, no mineral oils, no wax, no drying alcohols, and no artificial colors. And they're suitable for literally all hair types. Okay, we are all twisted up now, and you can see this first side, most of the product has already absorbed into my strands. And then of course, this side is going to take a little bit of time. My twists are looking super moisturized and juicy, and I'm excited for the takedown. Alright y'all, so it's been a day or so and my hair is fully dry. You can see I've already taken down this one section and it looks bomb. So I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to my hands to make sure that I don't cause any unnecessary frizz. And we're going to take the twist down. They're super easy to take down and also very easy to separate, which I like. I can tell when I'm going to have a bomb twist out when my hair is easy to separate. And you just want to separate exactly where it is already naturally separating so that you're not causing any frizz. As I'm taking down the twist, I notice that my hair is still very moisturized. It's very soft. It's not crunchy, but it definitely has a hold. It has a little bit of a stronger hold than when my hair is done with the 4-in-1 Curl Supreme. So this does give me a little extra hold, and again, it is super easy to separate, which I love. To give this twist out a little more hang time, a little bit more stretch, I am going to go ahead and band my hair with some scrunchies. I've been really enjoying using satin scrunchies to band my hair, so I'm just going to band all 4 sections and let that sit for maybe, I don't know, like 30 minutes to 45 minutes while I, get ready and everything. We're all banded up, as you can see, but wait, hold on, there's something on my camera. Let me clean that off. Oh, no, it's just me looking bomb. This is the final result of my hair. My hair looks so freaking good, y'all. All right, y'all, as you can see, these are my final results with my twist out after me stretching and everything. And my hair looks so good. It's so shiny. It looks really dark. I don't know if it's just me, but my hair looks very dark and it feels really good. It feels moisturized. There's no flakes. And also there's like some hold, but not a crunch. So if you're someone who likes longevity, but you don't like a crunch, this twist out combination is definitely for you. Now, if you want to pick you up some TreLuxe products, y'all already know that the Untie the Knot and the 4-in-1 are holy grails for me. They're in favorites videos. They're a combo that I reach for all the time. But now I can also add this reflux curl styling serum in the mix. If you want to pick up these products and you want to pick them up on sale, Walgreens is having a 25% off of these products right here, but only at certain locations. So if you don't want to be running around all across town from this Walgreens to this Walgreens, definitely go to TreLuxe's website and do their store locator, and you can find Walgreens in your area or surrounding areas that sell TreLuxe products. Don't be like me, because I've definitely just gone to just regular Walgreens, didn't even use the locator on the website, walked in expecting to see TreLuxe products and had my heart broken because they weren't there. So definitely look on the website so that you can save some time and just go straight to a Walgreens that has it. But you will not be disappointed. Like moisture for days. These products are really great, especially for this time of year. With the dry air, okay, you're going to get moisturization and definition and shine and longevity as well. So 25% off at select Walgreens from today until 12/31, December 31st. So basically, you can get your TreLuxe products on sale through the rest of 2022. But that is it for this video, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much to TreLuxe for sponsoring this video and giving me the opportunity to try this out, because y'all know I have been wanting to try this out for a little bit now, and I can suggest another bomb combo for you all with these two. Try these two. Try these two. I think you can try all three of them together. I decided to use the Reflux Serum by itself just to see what kind of hold, what kind of definition, what kind of moisture I would get just using this, because I already know that I get all of that with this. But you can use all three. You can use just these two. You can use these two. You can mix and match, do whatever you want. You're going to get a bomb twist out, braid out, whatever style regardless. But yes, that is it for this video, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and all of the information about the sale and everything will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And as always, I'm so grateful for each and every one of y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!